Do you also have or any recommendations for or a treatment, let's say, for a hallucination as a problem statement? Do you think there is something like that?
Hallucinations are firstly a feature, not necessarily a bug in every situation. There are times when we want a creative response. If we are generating an image, then we want more creativity. If we are writing a story, we want more creativity. Therefore, if we specifically restrict ourselves to that segment where we want more accuracy, not more creativity, that's how I would differentiate between these. Then, what are some of the things that we can do? One, at a model level, we can prompt better, by which I mean, if the prompt has minor contradictions or confusions, then there is a higher chance for the model to stray in a different direction from what we want. If at the beginning of the prompt, I said, I want you to give me exactly one example, and then we write somewhere here in the middle, here's an example of what you should say. Let's take an example. If I say, I want you to give me precisely one number, and in the examples, we say 22,37.6 as a latitude longitude. Now in our mind, maybe one number means one latitude longitude, but it sees two numbers and it gets confused. Should I give only one number or should I give two numbers?
Okay.
That's an example of a confusion. And there can literally be a contradiction. I wrote one instruction last week. Now I'm writing another instruction this week. Last week's instruction was near the top. I didn't read it. This week's instruction is near the bottom, and the two are conflicting. But even this apart, if we said, give me a short sentence. Now, how short is short? 1 word? 10 words? 30 words?
We don't
So,
know,
giving an example might help. Giving a number might help. So, prompting better is definitely one. Choice of model makes a difference. Older models tend to be less capable than newer models. Even among the newer models, there are nuances. So, for example, the GPT-5 class of models follow instructions very, very faithfully, almost too literally, whereas the Claude models follow instructions more intuitively. So, depending on the situation, if you want absolutely do exactly what I say, and I am saying it correctly, then you would want to go for the GPT-5 models. If, on the other hand, you say, do the right thing, and I may not be saying it perfectly, but follow that sort of a thing, then you may want to go for the Anthropic type of model. So model choice is a second solution. A third solution is engineering systems. After you give an answer, have another model maybe cross-check it and find all the errors and share a correction. That's a way of approaching it. Or beforehand, have another model interpret the question, knowing that people ask vague questions, and rewrite the question in a sharper way and then send it to the model. That's a possibility. That's called prompt rewriting. So these are all examples of engineering solutions to the problem. Prompt optimization, model selection, and engineering. I'm sure there are other variations as well.
There are other variations,
reduce hallucinations.
Okay. Thank you.